Join Tales and Treasures journey. The train that runs on dreams.
One rainy afternoon, Arya, Kabir, and little Minu wandered into the woods and found a place no one had seen in years, an old railway station called Whistlewood Halt. The tracks were quiet, until they began to glow under their feet. Suddenly, a glowing blue train appeared. It had stars on its side, a smiling face, and a voice that called, "All aboard for the land of wonders."
Hello there, little explorers. I've been waiting just for you. You found the tracks of dreams and stars, and now, I'm here to take you far. I'm no ordinary train, oh no, I ride on stardust and moonlight glow. Hop aboard, quick, don't delay, the land of wonders is just one dream away. Tickets? No need, kind hearts and curious minds are all you need to ride with me.
Wow! Are you real? You have stars on your face. Can you really take us to the land of wonders? I've never been on a train that sparkles. You're the most beautiful train I've ever seen. Do you like adventures too?
Hop on my juicy wheels. I'm the Watermelon Express, sweet, cool, and splashy.
Come with me, little dreamers, I'll take you where cookies grow on trees.
And here we are, the very first stop on the Fruity Express, Cookies Land, a place where gingerbread houses line the streets, cookie trees grow chocolate chip leaves, and every step leaves a sprinkle behind. In Cookies Land, even butterflies sing. And if you listen closely, the trees might hum along.
But then came trouble. The train froze in a land of ice. The giant clock tower had stopped ticking. Only the glowing keys of courage, kindness, and cleverness could bring time back. And only the children could use them. The train took off again, this time through the sky. Golden tracks stretched through the stars, and floating creatures waved hello.
As the sun rose, the train returned to Whistlewood Halt. The mist wrapped around it gently, and the engine slowly disappeared. In the children's hands were golden tickets that read, "Until next time."